Global Atomy members, nice to meet you all. Today we introduce the R&D and manufacturing process of Atomy organic fermented Noni concentrate, which is receiving a lot of love from the global Atomy members. NST Bio Company Limited, which manufactures Atomy organic fermented Noni, is a company specializing in fermentation, especially in lactic acid bacteria fermenting. With this technology, NST Bio Company Limited developed Atomy's 7 types of complex lactic acid bacteria AON 1805 independently through joint research with Atomy Orod, KFRI, and Kangwon National University. Atomy's 7 types of complex lactic acid bacteria AON 1805 contains 800 billion live lactic acid bacteria per gram, the highest level of guaranteed bacteria in Korea. Atomy organic fermented Noni concentrate is manufactured with the fermentation and aging methods, which has patented Atomy's unique AON 1805 lactic acid bacteria. First of all, let's visit Indonesia, a volcanic island where raw materials for Atomy organic fermented Noni concentrate are produced. This is an organic Noni farm for Atomy. Atomy organic fermented Noni concentrate is made with only organic Noni grown in Java Island, a clean volcanic soil rich in minerals. Nonis are hygienically managed and grown on a certified organic farm. They are harvested daily and only ripe Nonis without damage is selected. The selected Noni fruits are quickly frozen at under -40°C for freshness. After removing foreign substances and stems from the surface, washing them thoroughly 3 times or more. In Indonesia, in addition to the washing water quality test, the organic raw materials are tested for harmful substances to thoroughly manage the raw materials. Frozen Nonis, which are double packed in a frozen state, loaded in a reefer container to maintain freshness, and transported to NST Bio Company Limited in Korea. This is the production plant of NST Bio Company Limited, which manufactures Atomy organic fermented Noni concentrate. This facility has been certified in not only Korea for food safety, including HACCP and GMP, but also a global food safety standard FSSC 22000 and approved by US FDA. From now on, let's follow the full-fledged production process. Frozen Noni fruits from Indonesia are immediately subjected to a visual inspection to check the weight and condition. In addition, following an inspection in Indonesia, organic frozen Noni fruits are inspected once again. We do our best for raw material management by conducting regular inspections of 463 kinds of pesticide residues. Harmful substances such as cadmium, lead, arsenic, mercury, and microorganisms. After meticulous inspection, the frozen Noni is neatly put in an IBC tank and defrost, then inoculated with Atomy's own 7 types of complex lactic acid bacteria AON 1805. This is an organic Noni fermentation room. The IBC tank, which AON 1805 has been added, undergoes primary fermentation period for more than 45 days, about 1080 hours, in the fermentation room at 37 ±2°C. When the fermentation process is finished, Noni juice are transferred to the mixing tank by transfer pump, and the additional extraction process for the remaining pulp is carried out to extract good nutrients. Noni juice that has been extracted through the juicer is transferred to the vibrating filter through the transfer pump and filtered once more. After the juice is collected in a mixing tank, sterilization and agitation are performed. In this process, Atomy's special ingredients are added. It's Atomy's unique AON CD syrup, which is the only organic syrup in Korea by enzyme treatment of organic coconut sugar maltodextrin, a natural sugar rich in minerals. To reduce the odor unique to Noni, Atomy Orod and NST Bio Company Limited spent several months to make the organic ingredients extracted from natural ingredients instead of using synthetic additives. Organic coconut sugar and AON-CD syrup are being stirred for being sufficiently dissolved in the juice. The fermented noni mixture undergoes a secondary fermentation period of 15 days, about 360 hours in a refrigerated storage at 1 to 10 degrees Celsius. This low-temperature aging method minimizes the destruction of nutrients in noni, while doubling functional ingredients and improving taste. After the secondary fermentation period, a fermented noni mixture which completes 1,440 hours of fermentation is transported back to the extraction room. The third ingredient, calamansi juice, contains 30 times more vitamin C than lemons, is mixed and finally stirred. Then fermented noni mixture is sterilized at a temperature of 125 plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius using the UHT sterilizer. After sterilization period, the fermented noni mixture is transferred to the metal detector and finally put into the filling chamber. A non-stop process from stirring to entering into the filling chamber is automatically carried out through the transfer pipe. This is the washing process. It is a process to remove small foreign substances that may be in the product container by washing the glass bottle 3 times or more with an air washer before filling. After completing the washing process, the glass bottle moves through a rail to a space-separated filling chamber to block foreign substances. The fermented noni mixture, which is sterilized in the UHT sterilizer, is transferred to filling machine and reaches a temperature of 85 degrees Celsius, at which the filling operation starts. The fermented noni mixture is being filled in the product container that has been cleaned through an automatic filling machine. During the filling process, the temperature of the product is maintained at 85 degrees Celsius. After filling, the product is capped and labeled by a labeling machine. At the same time, the expiration date is stamped and leading to the sealing operation. When the primary packaging is finished, a visual inspection is carried out to check the label and capping status and finally move to the semi-finished product room. Here in the semi-finished room, products are cooled and go on to the outer packaging stage. After secondary packaging with an air cap pouch, products are placed in an outer box and put 6 bottles in a carton box, then prepare for shipment. As the products are exported to around the world, in order to prepare for the special distribution environment conditions of each country, severe tests are conducted to withstand the temperature of minus 60 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. We are doing our best to maintain cleanliness and sanitation in the area of COVID-19 by disinfecting the transportation truck before and after loading. As you can see, the entire process of Atomy organic fermented noni concentrate from production to manufacturing is meticulously managed through a strict quality control system. Atomy's organic fermented noni concentrate has been spreading globally recently, as evidenced by the value of Atomy's global popular luxury goods. Starting with Atomy China in June 2021, products are exported to Atomy US, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, and Taiwan branches, and will continue to expand globally. In particular, by acquiring halal certification as an opportunity to advance into Malaysia, we could provide trustful products to Atomy members in the Muslim countries. Isn't it amazing that superfood noni has been reborn as Atomy's popular luxury product with the fermentation technology of Atomy Orot and NST Bio Company Limited? I hope it was a meaningful time for all of you. Then, I hope that your precious dreams become more vivid through Atomy Stream. Global Atomy, Aja, Aja, Aja!